Hey guys, and welcome back to Tennessee Grillin and Smokin. I'm Dustin, and I don't have much time today. I've got to go to work, and I've been working all week, so I've been doing some little quick cooks. So today's going to be another one of those quick cooks. But Will's wanting sloppy joes, so I decided, hey, let's make some sloppy joes, but let's throw a little bit of smoke to them. Let's make some Smoky Joes. So that's what we're going to do today, guys. Hang tight with me. We'll get started. Alright, what I'm going to be using is I've just got the 80-20 ground beef, and we're going to season that real quick with the Suckle Busters SPG and the Suckle Busters Texas Gold Dust Tex-Mex. So we're going to go ahead and get this beef in here. We're going to get it spread out. So here we go. Alright, so I got the SPG. I'm just going to hit it with some of that here. Then we're going to coat it good with this Texas Gold Dust. Give it that good Tex-Mex flavor. And then we're just going to mix it all together, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press it out, flatten it out, and get a bigger surface for the smoke to hit. Alright, we got it flattened out in there a little bit, that way we can get more smoke on more area of the beef. So I'm just going to hit it just a little bit more on top of this Tex-Mex. And I've got my smoker going up to 300 degrees. Now we're going to put this in there until we get till this beef gets about 140 degrees, so about 30-45 minutes. So once my grill gets to temp, we're going to throw her in there, let her sit. Alright, we got the grill up to temperature. We're going to go ahead and throw this in here. Put her onto the side. Like I said, about 30-40 minutes or so until the temperature of the beef gets about 140 degrees, and it should be ready to go ahead and we'll strain it. We're going to make the sauce here in just a second. We'll add it to it and we'll smoke it some more. So that's where we're at. See, I got my board. My board's looking nice. Thank you guys for the stickers. Keep them coming. Can't wait to fill this thing up and get a brand new one going. So I'll see you here in a minute. Alright guys, before we make our sauce and while we got the meat in there, we're going to go ahead. I've got a red pepper and I've got a green pepper here, bell peppers. We're going to go ahead and get them on the smoker too to give them a little extra flavor. So we're just going to cut right there on the sides because the seeds are right there in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and get us some pieces here. Alright. Oh, we got some seeds there. Got a lot of seeds in this one. Alright. And I'm not going to use all of them, so I'll get these seeds out. And we're going to go ahead and smoke them all though, because I'll find something to do with them. So we're just going to lay them right up here, right directly on the grate, right up here next to the smoke tube. And we're going to let them go for about 10 or 15 minutes, get a little bit of smoke on them, get them softened up. Then we'll pull them out, we'll cut them up and add them to our mixture here. That meat, let me see that thing just a second. That meat's already starting to look real good. And we've just been in here about 15 minutes, so we'll come back here in about 20 minutes or so and check the temperature, make sure it's around 140, go ahead and pull it out and mix everything together. All right, the sauce is real simple, guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take about 1.5 cups, about 1.5 cups of ketchup. We're going to hit it with about 2 tablespoons of just yellow mustard. Now we're going to throw about 2 more tablespoons of brown sugar in. Full scoop, there we go. And we're going to go ahead and throw about 2 tablespoons in of bourbon. Alright, now what we're going to do now is we're just going to get her mixed up. Alright, and when the meat gets done, we'll break it apart, we'll drain that grease. We'll add our mixture to it. We'll put her back in there to kind of let it reduce down. And it should be done. See you then. Alright, the meat's looking good. It's about done. We're going to go ahead and take the peppers off, go ahead and slice them up, get them ready for the sauce, and we'll pull the meat, drain it, we'll mix it all together. Alright, I got them off the smoker. I'm just going to put them in this food processor instead of slicing them with a knife. I think this is going to get them a little bit better for the sauce. So I'm not going to use them all. I just used about half of each. So we're going to stick them in here. We're just going to chop them up. Pulse it a little bit. Just a little bit finer. Alright, sorry about that, guys. My GoPro battery died. So what we did, we went ahead and got the green peppers, or the green peppers and the red bell peppers chopped up real fine in the processor. We're going to add that to the sauce here. We're going to pull this meat out. We're going to strain it. So let's go ahead and add this in. Give it a little mix up here. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and take this meat out. We're just going to strain her down. Make sure you get all that grease out of it. Dump that meat on down in here. We're going to go ahead and just break it on up. Chop it down pretty good. But yeah, we pull it at about 140 degrees because that's about where you're going to stop getting any of that smoke. And that's before it gets too dried out. So I think we pulled it out about just in time. Got that mixed in. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding the sauce to it. Give that a little mix in with it. Boy, this is smelling good. Clumps of meat up. Get it mixed in fine. About like that. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to go in there real quick because I forgot my seasoning. We're going to hit it just a little bit more of the SPG and the Tex-Mex. We're going to put it back in there and we're going to reduce it. So I'll be right back. Alright, I got some more of the gold dust here from Sucker Buster. We're going to just hit the top notch there with it. Just a little bit more SPG. Not much. It don't take much with that. We're going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to stick her back in there and let her reduce for a little while until everything cooks down. That looks good. Take this out of here. Well, we're just going to put it right here off to the side of the burner. Close it down. We'll let it reduce. We'll come out here to give it a check. Then we'll give it a taste test. Alright guys, it has been about 20 minutes and let's go ahead and take a peek at it. Look at that. That right there. Looks like it is just about perfect, guys. That is the right consistency we're looking for. 20 minutes was just enough to let all the flavors go ahead and combine real good. So it smells absolutely amazing. So I'm pretty happy with it. We're going to let it sit down. We're going to let it cool and go ahead and make a little plate. And I've got a special taster coming today to test this because this is one of my kids' favorite meals. So we decided, hey, why not have him do the testing? That'll be the real challenge right there, guys. So. All right, guys, this is my little boy Colson. He loves Sloppy Joe, so this is the main test right here. So, little man. See what you think. Is it sloppy? Is it a little hot? What do you think?
Good.
Huh?
Awesome.
Awesome. All right, guys, right here. All right, guys, so that right there proves everything. If the little boy likes it, that's all that matters. So, hey, great recipe, really quick and simple to make. So, guys, I appreciate you. If you like what you saw, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, give me a follow. I've also found out through a couple of my friends that they're not getting any notifications. So, if you don't care, hit that bell so you don't miss any of the new videos I put out. I try to put out 1 to 2 a week. So, still doing mail calls on Thursday. So, guys, I appreciate all the support. Keep those stickers coming, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much.
Bye.
And guys, as always, go to my description and click on the link to Greenback Designs Facebook page. Man, they do excellent work on all their products, and everything they do is handcrafted, and you can really tell by the quality of their products that they really care about everything they ship to their customers. So not only do they do just cutting boards, they make candles, serving trays, signs, and much more. So please visit their page, show them some love, and be sure to tell them the Tennessee Grillin' and Smokin' sent you.